Today, I'll show you how to clear your recently visited communities on Reddit. First, open the Reddit app. Now, tap the three lines on the top left. Here, you'll see a list of your recently visited communities. To clear your entire Reddit history, including communities, tap the profile icon on the top right. Then, tap the three dots and select Clear History. This will remove all your recent history, including votes, hidden posts, and visited communities. If you specifically want to delete recently visited communities, go back to the menu icon on the top left, scroll down to see all under your recently visited communities, then tap Clear All. This will delete all recently visited communities. After clearing, refresh the app, and you'll see that your recently visited communities are gone. And that's it. Your Reddit recently visited communities are now cleared.